Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. This is how discovery works and transfers route. On your laptop, open Nearby Share from Settings or the system tray, then set visibility so your phone can see the laptop. Once done, confirm your phone's Nearby Share is enabled and visible too, signing into the same Google account speeds pairing and avoids permission prompts. Make sure location permission is granted on the phone because discovery relies on it. Next, find the file on your laptop and use right-click right arrow share, right arrow Nearby Share, or open the Nearby Share panel and drag the file in. This triggers a scan for nearby devices. When your phone appears in the list, select it, you'll see a device icon and sometimes signal strength indicating connection quality. On the phone, accept the incoming transfer. If the phone asks, pick where to save the file. This two-step confirmation prevents accidental transfers and ensures you control incoming content. To finish, watch the progress indicator until it reaches 100% and then check the phone's downloads or the folder you chose. That confirms success. If the transfer stalls or fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and try again, making sure visibility is not hidden. If discovery still fails, restart both devices and temporarily disable battery optimization for Nearby Share on the phone, because aggressive power saving can block background discovery and transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.